channel, you guys. I am Unique and welcome back to Unique's World. So as you read in the title, I'm going to try to pull off this headband wig. I have never did a headband wig before, but like a couple of years I did like the half wig method, so I think this is something like that. So we're just gonna get right into this video. I brushed my hair out. I just washed it and dried it, so I'm gonna see if I can pull this off with a ponytail instead of braiding my hair down, because I'm not trying to keep this wig on for too long. So I'm gonna just put my hair in a ponytail, and like I said, I don't know how this goes, so I'm gonna put a stocking cap on, but let's see. So this is the hair I got. It's from Beauty Favor. I got this off of Amazon. I'm not gonna put the link in the description box below because I'm not getting paid for this, but you guys can literally go on Amazon and put in headband wigs, and please read the reviews. It's so many people saying Amazon played me, they said it was this and it was that, they said it was human hair but it's really synthetic. I feel like that's kind of you guys' fault by not reading the reviews. So read the reviews and everything should be just fine. This is a 20-inch body wave headband wig. So it comes with the wig inside of this huge wrapper, and it comes with the net. And this is, it was supposed to be a 1B, but it looking more like a 2. You probably can't see it on camera, but it's looking like a 2. And it's 20 inches. It's smooth, it's soft. It smells like, I don't know the word. It smells like a warehouse. That's what it smells like. And it comes with the little headband, and it comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back with the adjustable straps, and then the Velcro headband. And then also in the box it came with, which I thought was only 1 free headband, it comes with 2 free headbands and a pack of wig caps that I just purchased, so I'm happy this came with it. And that's literally all that's in the box. On the back it has instructions on how you can treat this wig, but if you wear wigs like I wear wigs, you don't need no instructions whatsoever, because you know what to do with human hair and what not to do with human hair. So I'm finna do my edges first. I'm looking at the hair, it just seems so much brown to me. I really like my hair 1, and a 1B is okay, but this don't look like a 1B. And when I read the reviews, like I stated, I read the reviews, it did say that this was looking a little bit like a 2. And like I stated, it's 20 inches. And I'm gonna do my edges real quick because I already look crazy and raggedy, and I'm not gonna throw no wig on looking crazy like this. And what I did do, since I thought it was only 1 headband wig that came with it, I went to go buy another one from my local beauty supply store, and it's just like this. And then, like, if you natural like I am, you should already have some like around. So I just have like these laying around that I can literally wear every day. Definitely if I want to wear my half wig going to the gym and whatever, I'm just gonna literally throw some of these on, not trying to be cute, just to be basic, just for a simple hairstyle. But let's get into these edges, because I done seen some people throw these half wigs on looking like a fool because they don't want to do their edges, and they think they don't have to do it and just throw the half wig on. That's okay, that's perfectly fine, whatever floats your boat. But I don't want this to look like a half wig. I want it to look like it's a sew-in, or you know, a lace wig that you can't even see the lace. I'm not trying to be out here looking crazy with 2 different textures in my head. This wig was $135, and I'm a Prime member, so it came like next day. So I'm really not trying to spend this much money on no hair. Definitely no half wig and have 2 different textures. That's not what's up. So I'm gonna do my edges and just get this out the way real quick. Now I don't even know how to do, I don't even know how far this wig goes or where to put it. So hopefully I do my edges to the point where it looks right and I don't have to take the wig off, go back in, take the wig off. I hope I don't have to do that, but if I do, I will. So I am using Shine and Gem on my edges, you guys, in case you guys was wondering. And doing my edges, I'm very precise. I do not play when it comes to my edges, so I apologize in advance. I tried to speed through the video, but you guys get the gist of it. I don't play when it comes to my edges. Okay, I hope this do not slip off because this stocking cap ain't sticking on to nothing. So I'm going to try to put this on and let's see how this goes. So I'm not going to tighten it at all with the adjustable straps because I'm going to see how tight it is with the Velcro headband, but I'm going to put these combs in. Oh, this is already snug. I'm going to tighten it with the Velcro. Oh, this is already snug. And I got a medium, and this is already snug. Oh, this is cute. I think I got it up too high, so I'm going to see if I can pull it back. Oh, this is cute. Make sure my Velcro is in there. So with this, I don't have to put, I'm noticing that I do not have to put the back comb in. And the only reason I thought that this headband wig was going to be a bad idea because I do not use combs. Any wig that I have ever bought and it had combs in it, I automatically take the combs out. No lace wigs, no frontals, no nothing. No wigs. I hate combs because they make my head hurt. That's why I did not do this with braids. But this is snug. It's snug and it's cute. It looks short to me to be 20 inches. I don't know why, but it looks short to me. Normally 20 inches is like past my boob. This not even close. People can say it's the body wave and whatever, but it's cute. So let me see how it look with the headband. So we're gonna try with the headbands that they gave me. And I've been noticing ever since people wearing these headband wigs, it's hard to find headbands anywhere. I have went to my local beauty supply store, I have went to Target, I have went to Walmart, and I can barely find any headbands. That's why I was literally stuck with getting these, because these are literally hard to find and they were so easy at first. So I know a lot of people have been buying these headband wigs. So let's see how this looks with this on. I'm trying to cover this headband right here, but it's not looking like it's gonna happen with this one. I guess that's how that's gonna work. Yeah. Unless I like cup it or something. So I guess that's how that's gonna look. This look cute, but as you guys can see, like if you don't do your edges and you just throw this on, it's not gonna look right whatsoever. So it's not gonna look freshly done if you do not do your edges. So if I would never did my edges, I don't think this would have looked cute at all on me. Definitely with the two different types of textures and with the body wave. Probably if I had it straight, it would have been okay. Or if I would have had it curly. If I would have had it curly and I didn't want to do my edges, since my hair is already curly, it probably would have been okay. But I feel like with any headband wig, any half wig, you need your edges done. A lace wig, you already get your, you already have your baby hairs on there. But this is cute. With the next one, I'm gonna try the one that I got from the beauty supply store, since it's a little bit bigger and wider. I know how to put this thing on. Okay. I'm just so happy I got a wig that I don't have to glue down and do the ball cap method. Oh, I am so happy because I wear wigs. And when I tell you I wear wigs, I wear wigs. And all my wigs are lace fronts. Not frontals, lace fronts. And I'll be having to do the ball cap method. I'll be having to braid my hair. I'll be having to glue it, make sure my glue dry, add another layer, so it can last for weeks. And I'll be exhausted with doing that. So, yeah, I like this one a little bit better. It's just this headband right here, you're able to see. I don't like that whatsoever. So maybe if I bring this down. Okay. There we go. So I like this. I think the bigger and thicker headbands will be perfectly fine and okay. This one is like real little, and it's wholly, it's spacious. It's cute, but with this thick headband, I don't think this will work perfectly fine. Nowadays, people be looking at your wig, so they gonna know it's a headband wig if they look down, if they standing above you, and that's what we don't want. That's embarrassing. We don't want that. But this is worth getting. This will make me want to get more headband wigs and whatever, because they easy, they convenient. I literally, without me doing my edges, literally did this in less than 5 minutes. So just imagine what you can do if you get a headband wig. You can be gone and out the door. You don't got to do nothing. You can literally do your makeup, don't got to worry about nothing, and throw one of these on. So this is how I'm going to go out the house today. Surely is. I'm not doing my hair. I'm not doing nothing. As you guys know, I go to the gym. And going to the gym every day, you can't have certain hairstyles unless you have braids. I really don't like braids because people be pulling at your edges and at your hair. And one thing I don't play about is my edges. So I do not get braids. But with this, I can literally go to the gym and don't got to worry about my wig flying off because the combs are attached to here. But what I think I'm going to do is braid my hair so the combs can really be attached and nothing can really move. Like I stated in the back, if you don't like combs, like on the nape of your neck, you don't have to put the comb at the nape of your neck. You can literally just Velcro the headband and it's already snug. So this is big head friendly because I got mine in a medium through large. So it is big head friendly. And it's literally worth it. If you was to get, but if you was a small and you got a medium through large, you can literally tie it tight because this is really tight. And I don't even have it all the way clamped together from end to end. It's literally like on the edge. But this is worth it. I think this is cute. This is cute. So I'm going to be rocking this for like about a while until I get another one. I have ordered multiple. But since they are in style, They hard to find. And then if you don't order from Amazon and you order from another site, you already know that's going to take 3 to 5 business days. But if you are a Prime member, I suggest that you go to Amazon and start off with going to Amazon first before going to these other boutiques or, you know, going online, so you can see, you know, what you're really getting and what you're really working with. I done seen people who had these headband wigs that put them in buns that literally brung the headband wig all the way up and had bangs. So you able to work with it. I'm just getting used to these headband wigs. I'm just getting to the gist of all this. So I will be, you know, doing more of these and whatever, but this is how I'm finna roll out the house today. But I thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back with more content. And if you guys want to see more content, don't forget to hit that notification bell, because there's plenty of people DMing me, inboxing me on Facebook, hitting me up on Snapchat saying, I didn't know you posted a video or whatever, but I'm subscribed to your channel. If you do not hit that bell, nothing would not come to you. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my video, and do not forget to hit the bell so you can get every single time that I make a video. So once again, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.